Now, if I just want to bring in my Photoshop composition as an image, all I have to do is go to my After Effects composition or my After Effects file, go to File and Import and File, and then I can go to the example poster file, bring it in, and I'm going to bring in it as footage, and I'm going to merge my layers together. If I wanted to bring in a specific layer, then I could choose my layer and choose just one of the pieces of text or one of the images. But since I just want to bring it in as one file, I'm going to choose footage. And notice it brings it in as a Photoshop file. Now, when I drag and drop it either into this area down here, or if I drag and drop it on the composition itself, it will create a composition that is the exact same size. And then I can do things like add in text on top of it. I could add in another shape on top of it here. I could combine it with other files. So if you want to work with text in here rather than designing it in Photoshop, that's fine. One note is that since I bring it in as footage, unlike a composition, if I make changes here, so for example, I made a previous change of adding in a gradient map, but now it's gone. So here I'm doing Command S, or actually let's just add in another gradient map that is different. So I'm going to do an adjustment layer, and we'll just do a hue and saturation at the top that is a colorize. And let's make this green, get a little weird, and then do file and then save. And I come back to my After Effects file, notice that that has changed to green. If it doesn't appear right away, there might be a lag, or you can click on your file, right click, and then do reload footage. And that will refresh the file or replace footage and then replace it with a particular file.